In the 13th century, the Bishop of Exeter was a man named Walter Branscombe. One cold and windy night, he and his servant were making their way across Corn Ridge here when they came across a stranger. The stranger, seeing that the bishop was hungry, offered him a loaf of bread and a slice of cheese. The bishop gratefully reached out to take it, but at the last moment his servant spotted a pair of cloven hooves protruding from beneath the stranger's cloak and recognised him immediately as the devil. He sprung forward and knocked the loaf and cheese out of the stranger's hand, whereupon the stranger immediately disappeared, and the loaf and cheese fell to the ground and became Branscombe's loaf and Branscombe's cheese, turning to stone immediately. The bishop recognised that the servant had saved his life, and from that point on, Branscombe's loaf would forever remain on top of Corn Ridge in the depths of Dartmoor.